guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Smart Kids by Pearl. In today's vlog, I will share you how to make a pizza with my mom. So first,
What are the ingredients that you will be using?
Tomato sauce and
Ketchup.
and mushrooms, chopped mushrooms,
Chopped.
and cheese and bacon.
Bacon cubes.
And then this plate needs to
Pan.
have a pan. And this
Tray.
one is pizza, a
Okay.
base, pizza base.
Pizza crust.
Yeah. Now
Thin
let's
crust
open.
pizza.
Now let's open it.
And this, guys, has an oil already. Okay? You get one piece ate. Put here. Sige, lagay mo. Yan. Tama-tama.
So we
Ito,
need
may
this
ate, oh.
spatula to spread this tomato sauce. So let's put it. Ano dito?
Tomato ketchup.
Now let's do it.
Even the distribute the ketchup.
So guys, we need this. We need tongs so you can put the bacon here and even the mushroom. Wait. We need to finish all this bacon. So guys, we finish it all. So it's the mushrooms turn.
Guys, ate siya is now putting the
Mushrooms.
the mushroom.
A jolly.
Parang ang sarap ni ate.
Maganda pagkagawa.
Galing mo, ah. Kung mo patati, may kunti pang bacon. Bacon is yours. Yan, sayang kasi.
Yung guys, galing rich.
Sarap niyo.
Next time ko. Kasi sa kanila. Hindi ko sure pag to. And last but not the least, we are going to use the cheese with the grated cheese.
Cheese grater.
Okay, it's behind the back now. So my mom is about to preheat the oven so we can cook. My mom set the timer to 7 minutes. So we're gonna put this to the oven after 7 minutes.
Guys, 7 minutes had elapsed, so we're going to put this to the oven. Ayan. Ate Sasha just waits there. Akin natin. So we're now going to put and we will set the timer to 10 minutes time.
So I'm going to take a slice. I think it's super yummy. It's super hot. Oh no, what happened to the cheese? You can do it.
Sinabi ko na mainit. I told ya, it's so hot. You're not listening.
Why did you make it too much hotter?
Too much hotter. O, diba?
Shouldn't make it low.
Yahoo! And we got a piece of...
No, the mushroom is going away.
It looks so yummy, ate. Hmm? Hmm?
I don't like a big slice. I love tiny slice.
Small, hindi tiny.
So let's try it.
So, ayun na guys. Nakaano na tayo. Ate Shasha will not get a piece of ano?
Tissue. I don't like. Ooh, eat. Wow. So yummy.
How's the taste?
Yummy. A bit of hot.
Of course, that comes from ano. Thin slice. Sarap ano?
Guys, the combination of cheese, mushroom, and bacon cubes are delicious. I hope you guys can make this kind of pizza and try it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and God bless you. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you, Ate. For sharing.